Well guys, I'm gonna show you how to remove a door frame. Cómo remover un marco de puerta. First thing, we're gonna find the screws. I was using my saw to cut into the inside and cut the screws. But somehow they're pretty big ones and it's being hard to cut it. So what I'm doing right now is I'm cutting the actual frame for me to be able to okay, so there we go, and we'll see what happens. It's not letting go, so I'm just gonna cut the whole frame down, just right here where the cock is. What is that? Well, pull it out, and half of the frame already came out. We gotta be careful because the bell is right there, the cables. So we gotta make sure we disconnect this. So I already brought the cables out, and with my Milwaukee hacksaw, so I'm gonna cut down just in the border, and then this is gonna be a piece of cake to take out. There we go. I need to make some pressure here. There you go. There you go. Now we're gonna hit this frame so it come out. Really easy, guys. And that part came out. We just need to do the other half. So we're gonna do the same process. But actually, if we start hitting this, let's try to pull it. While it's in this door, it was a nail. It came out really easy. Super easy, we'll say. So that's done. this one because it is a lot of nails and the piece is really hard, so I'm gonna cut it in half. There you go. That's it, guys. That's how you take out a door frame in less than 10 minutes. If you want to see another video like how to put a new door frame, watch the next video after this. Follow my page. Well, there you go. This is the frame and I'm gonna put it right there. So we're gonna put it like upside top first, and then we're gonna put the bottom. That's my mom cleaning. She said that I did a mess. So right there we're gonna put the upper part first, and then we're gonna push it in the bottom. Okay, so I'm gonna have my hands working on this, and I will show you when it's ready. There you go. This is the frame we're gonna install. So we're gonna put the upper part first, and then we're gonna put the bottom. So we're gonna push the top, and then we're gonna push the bottom. There you go. I just put it in place, and now I need to screw it in to make sure it doesn't move. So now I'm just gonna screw it in. I'm gonna use an impact driver, screws, of course. Most of the times they do it when they build the houses, they do it with nails, but we're gonna use the screws on this one. And there you go. We're gonna put 3 or 4 in each side, and that will make the trick. So after you put your nails or your screws, it's gonna be hard as a rock. So now I'm gonna finish painting the door, because I'm painting the door for this door, a specific door. So I'm gonna be painting that door for me to be able to put it in.